Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to Airline Studio tutorial 156, and today's topic is how to add a multiple dot animation in a process flow diagram in AI Line Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the first page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you need to select Concept Sketcher, because in AI Line Studio if you want to generate a process flow diagram you need to do it through Concept Sketcher. Now I have already generated the diagram for my use case, which is an online shopping system, a very basic one, and this is the accuracy with 99% and got generated for me in just 15 to 20 seconds by using Airline Studio. Today we are talking about the animations, so kindly go to the animation panel, enable it and go to the multiple dots, and you can see that there are multiple dots which have started flowing around the edges, showing the flow of the diagram. So practically if you want to change the color you can do it from here, if you want to change the speed you can do it from here, if you want to change the size of the dot you can do it from here. So selecting the multiple dot animation and applying it to the connection where you want to show the moment of flow, this helps you visually represent continuous activity and flow between different processes and steps. So basically adding a multiple dot animation in Airline Studio helps you make your process flow diagrams more dynamic and visually engaging. This is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.